name is Sharadhi Shetty from Origami Ocean. Today we'll be doing this basic origami elephant. This is the tail of the elephant. So I'm taking this origami sheet of paper 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter. So first I'll be keeping white side up and I have to make a plus crease. For that I'll be bringing this corner to this corner and making a crease. Open the paper, then turn it like this. Here you have to get a crease. For that fold it like this. You have to align it properly and then fold it. So now you got the plus crease. Now you have to bring this point to the center point like this and this point here. Okay, now you just have to turn the paper like this and then bring these two corners to the center point. Now turn it again and bring these two sides to the center crease. Now you have to bring this triangle on this, that is by folding like this. Okay, so now all the pre-creasing is done. You can open this like this and turn the model and bring the triangle up again like this, then flip it over again. Now you already have the pre-creasing, so it will be easier. Just you have to open this, then bring this corner to the center crease. You have to do that on the both sides. It will be like this. Okay, so turn it like that and we'll be working on the tail part of the elephant. So you have to bring this corner to this crease line and open it. Do the same thing on the other side. Like this. See, now you have to take a pinch like this and keep it on this. See, this is the tail of the elephant. Now you can open these two for the ears like this. Turn the model like this and keep it here. And this tip you have to bring it down like this, not exactly to this point, little bit down, 1 centimeter below that. You can just keep it and make a crease over here. Okay, now almost the elephant is done. This is the trunk of the elephant, and to make the tusk I'm just going to open it like this and fold these two flaps here, and I'm going to use the scissors. Here I'm going to make a small slit like this. Okay, actually in origami we are not supposed to use the scissors. Origami is all about just folding the paper. Now I am going to fold this a small slitted part towards outside to get the look of the tusk. Now for the final touch, I can draw the eyes using pen or the black sketch pen. So our origami basic elephant is done. This is the tail. These are the ears. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.